Hello, hi, we're back. We have I look like a toddler, and today I'm going to be doing a video that finally I'm doing it because, okay, let me tell you, I had this great big plan of staying natural throughout the entire course of summer to give my hair kind of like breathing space, a bit of like a refresh, and I also kind of get to see what my natural hair looked like. And this is all my natural hair regrowth, so there is kind of a bit, and I was like, that's fine, that's cool, I'll just stay blonde throughout summer. Except it turns out I'm not that person, okay? Blonde is just, it's boring. Listen to my words, I don't like it on me, okay? I'm not saying it's boring in general. I think someone who has never been blonde, they definitely should go blonde. It's a lovely challenge and everything, but this is kind of my natural hair color. I'm not digging it, I'm not a fan of it. So it turns out that although I liked it, I respected it, it's time for a hair color change. So obviously today we're gonna incorporate a bit of red into our hair. But I have this, I think this dye, this specific dye, I've used so many times on my channel that maybe I should stop using it. But anyways, it's Bez, it's a regular hair color, 6.6, it's a deep red, dark blonde, so kind of a standard red. I'm going to mix that with this, which is 10.19, which is an ash blonde. Where is it? Okay, lightest ash pearl blonde. Now, this is kind of going to be our diluter or our mixer, so we don't have a too vibrant color. And then I had the genius idea of mixing in a temporary fashion color with it. I don't know what the end result is going to be. I don't know what it's going to give me, but I want to try it. So I'm going to be mixing essentially a 7-hour permanent color with developer, and I'm going to see what the hell that's going to do to my hair. Blue, this is just standard blue, and I'm thinking that if I mix the blue in an equal amount with the red, I'll get a somewhat nice purple. I don't know if this still works when you're mixing two chemically different products, since this is semi-permanent, this is not. Everything will be down in the description box below, the mixing process and everything, and I'm going to be using 20 volume developer. So I'm also going to just be applying the dye on the light blonde and just dragging it up till the dark roots, nothing further. If you have hair the length and thickness of mine, and if you're gonna mix it 1:1 ratio with the developer, you're probably gonna need about 60 to 70 ml. If you have any less, you can probably get away with 50. If you have longer, thicker, coarser hair, you're probably gonna need 80 and over. 50 ml-ish over here. 6.6, and I'll probably add a quarter to 20 ml. 6.6. And then I'm going to mix in my developer now. So I'm doing that. I'm gonna add roughly the same amount in developer. Great, so we have a nice kind of yogurty, battery kind of a consistency with the dye. Now I'm going to go ahead and add the blue into this. Okay. No. Okay. That's very blue. Oh, yeah. See, I have no idea what this is going to do, because I know that when the red dye oxidizes, it always oxidizes red. So I don't know if the blue is going to incorporate with it, or if it's just going to kind of, it's just covering the red. I advise everyone to have a hair dyeing t-shirt. This is my one. So, honest to God, I don't know what I'm doing. Basically, this dye concoction, I'm going to drag it up till here. Was this a bad idea? There's a possibility. Will I learn from this? Heck yes. For sure. 100%. Oh, nope, there's the red. There's the red. I have a feeling the blue will do nothing. Yeah, it's just turning red. My dye ball has turned a lovely shade of gray. Look, it's literally gray. Where the gray came from, I don't know. Cool, I have no idea how this is going to turn out. I'm gonna leave this on for 40 minutes, same as I would with any permanent dye. Wash it out and then I'll be back and we can see how this turned out. I stained everything. I am boring, I am predictable, but I am me. So, okay, you know how I said that I did this color like 20 million times on my hair? Yeah, it's back, because I like it, okay? So it turns out that the blue that I added did minimal, if any, kind of a change to the dye. It turns out if you apply a dye that's permanent to your hair, chances are the permanent is going to kind of stick a lot better than the semi. Not a problem. I left my roots kind of untouched. I'm not sure how I feel about that. I don't know. I didn't want to do all of it though. I really didn't want to do all pink because I feel like that would be pretty boring. But I don't care. I got pink back. I got the pink. Ooh, ooh. Let's try something. You guys are always saying that I should get bangs, but I just don't know. I don't know if I feel it. Okay, cool. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. It was just kind of like a little, like get back to me kind of a moment, because I was missing the Stella-ness. Cool. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna put everything with regards to what I used down below. I don't know if you want me to add the semi-permanent version of it because didn't really do much. Cool, I put up videos every Monday and Thursday at 7 p.m. Europe time. I don't know how this works. I'm gonna put like a little thing of the exact time, how it all works. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you'll give it a go and I will see you in my next video.